Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. If you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do that now. You can also please click the like button and comment also. I like those things. I like you to always do those things. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. So today I thought about it. We've not really done. Maybe we've been doing it, but not been getting actually going by that title of reharmonization on this channel. So I just want us to look at a very simple one today. So we've been in the key of C. So I believe this key is fair for all. Okay, so let's look at this song. There's this song by Tim Godfrey that went viral sometimes ago with Travis Green that goes, you have done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. So if you look at it, the harmonies, the stops, everything goes, you have done so much for me. It goes on one, there. So that goes around 4, there. Alright, that's good. So that's good. So everybody pretty knows that. So what about starting that on the minor 5? Something like this. So much for me. And then I got it all. I cannot tell. So what about starting stops sometimes on minor 5? You have done so much for me, I cannot believe. So look at that. So our minor 5, you have done so much for me. So minor 5, that's so in the key of C now we have so we have G minus chord. You can use the minor 7 also, or the minor try just fits it very well. Right? Then you go to 4. I cannot tell. Then the minus 6 also. So I cannot tell it. So these are ideas. Why am I teaching you this? These are ideas you can also put in other songs. You want to try and change something. You want to reharmonize a song, and you don't know how to go back to. So these are the starting points, right? So he has done so much for me that I cannot tell. So the chord goes. We have a F minor chord, second inversion, right? Right? Then to what chord is this? What chord is this? Alright, so this is C7, right? So then to this chord also, which is also F minus 7 again, right? Right. So you can do something like that. You have done so much for me, I cannot tell. So that's just what I just felt I share with you today. Alright, so that reharmonization that happens on 5. So instead of starting on 1, we start on 5, and you can also change the harmonies. You have done so much for me. I'm not sure actually in the song. I'm not sure there was no harmony on this part. You have done so much for me. There's no need for harmony on that. I cannot tell you though. You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. But I'm not sure there was any need to do an harmony on that. But in case if there is, you can take this further and do something from the new chord. You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. What next? Can you type the next harmony on your on the comment section? You have done so much for me. It still goes. You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. You have done so much for me. I cannot tell you again. Alright. So I did some paraphrasing right there. Yeah, sometimes it's always necessary. Okay, so let me know what you feel about this. God bless you. Bye.